this really my first bike? Did I really buy this crazy bike for my first bike? The truth is, ladies and gents, it's been a minute. Right, so welcome back to the channel, obviously. Welcome back, XavzLife. I had to make this video, right? This is a late video to post actually, right? First of all, let's start with the location, right? We got this beautiful well, Tesco sign. Now we've got a nice sunset and we've got something behind me. But anyway, I had to make this video, right? Because I got a lot of mixed reactions about when I first bought this bike. So obviously I bought the bike in April for my birthday, and then what was it? This bike got a lot of it got some love, it got some hate, it literally got everything. I mean absolutely everything. So obviously I felt like I needed to make this video to clear some things up. So anyway, let's get into it. What bike is it? By now you're gonna see the montage, so I'm just gonna cue the montage.
Do good, do great, and they talk bad on you. No need, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the bank and get a bag or two. My mama asked me why you got that cash on you. Second you switch up, they might get mad at you. No, you're not my friend, so no, I'm taxing you.
Yeah, bro, it's a sick bike, man. I would say to you, out of this or the V2, you can't go wrong with either, to be fair, man. You can't go wrong with either.
I'm gonna do the V2, man.
Yeah? Alright, flip it. Am I in race mode? Yeah. Mad, isn't it? I love this bike. Aye, this guy, he's got to get a V2. Swear he's got to get a V2. You have to get it. Yeah, man. Nah, but I love it, honestly. I do love the bike. Just gotta be careful and respect it. Because bruv, this thing will put you in a bush like that. I've had 2 scares that weren't my fault, but if I don't have this bike and such good brakes, I would have been finished. And people do dumb stuff, man, when you're on the bike, so. Yeah, bro. V2! Whee! Yeah. Bare love for the bike. You know, I just started out. What the hell? Ugh. Yeah. Got bare love. This bike gets a lot of love. I love when people love the bike. He ain't even started riding it, or I don't know if he started riding it, but he doesn't want to start with like 50cc or 125. He's just going straight for the big bike. Exactly what I did. Everyone call me stupid for doing it. I don't really care. Just go for what you can. If you can afford it and like you can work for it. What? I mean, if you work for it, sorry, you work hard for it, you can afford it. Just do it, man. Who can tell you not to do it? Go for what you want. Anyway, 2020, 2021, Panigale V4S. Obviously, buy it. How much power has this thing got? Yo, this thing has got 215 horsepower. Let me tell you. Yeah, you guys, I'm not gonna sorry about that. Yeah, so what, babe? So yeah, that's how much power it's got. Torque, it's got about 91 foot-pounds of torque, I think. So that's about 124 Newton meters. So anyway, look, I've showed you guys the bike. You've probably seen enough of that. Is this really my first bike? Did I really buy this crazy bike for my first bike? The truth is, yeah, this is my first ever motorcycle, first ever personal motorcycle I've ever owned. I have never owned anything. I've never owned like a 50cc ped or whatever they come in, a 125 bike. I never owned any of those. This babble here, first bike I've ever bought. Absolute first bike. So probably thinking, dude, you're crazy. I mean, a lot of people said I am crazy for buying such a bike, which I cannot understand, but at the same time, I'm gonna respect the thing. I love it. So, and I worked very hard for it. I'm not gonna lie to you, I worked very hard to get this bike. I didn't expect to get this, guys. I'll be honest with you. I was initially looking at like S1000s, which I love, and I think that's a mad bike. That is so much bike, mental bike. I still have a stupid soft spot for that bike. So I'm eventually gonna have to get one. I just love that bike. I don't know why. I just love it. Anyway, S1K, beautiful bike. And then I was looking at like R1Ms, which once again is a mental bike for a first bike. Quite stupid as well. Either way, I love all these bikes. So, why the hell did I buy this bike? First thing first, Ducati. It's like a dream bike brand for me since I've been a child, right? So, like they say, chase your dreams. And, well, yeah, that's exactly what I was doing. This is actually one of my dream bikes. So, that's how I bought the Ducati. Secondly, life is too short. So, we're here today, could be gone tomorrow. If you can do something, how can I say this without sounding silly? Look, if you can do something in the moment and get it, I would advise you to go for it, because tomorrow's never promised. It's that simple. So that's the honest truth. Also, I've had, even when I've bought cars, right, I've had people tell me, don't buy that car, it's too expensive, maintenance, this and that. Whether you know this or not, I don't really want to say this. 19 years old, I bought an M3 when I was 19, and I wasn't even like working, which sounds stupid. I'll get into that in another vlog later on, explain how I did that. But anyway, I did buy an M3. I have quite a lot of money at 19 years old. I wasn't even working. Anyway, I love that car to bits, had it for a few years, blah blah blah, explain it in another vlog. Fourth reason why I actually bought this bike, I'm super used to powerful vehicles. Like, honestly, I've always done sort of track work or something in cars. Like, it's just been a passion, cars and bikes, so I'm very used to it. That's why. Reason number 5, I don't want this to sound, let me swap arms. Oh, I went gym and this thing has absolutely killed my arm. Anyway, reason number 5, I don't want this to sound arrogant. I do not want it to sound arrogant, but the truth is, I was at a point where I was daily driving Ferraris, M3s, M4s, Lamborghinis. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna get into that. I don't want them to think I'm some rich kid or whatever. That's not the case. It's always good to be real and transparent, so I'm being transparent. Yeah, but I pretty much daily drove Ferraris and like M carts or G-Wagons or whatever you want to say. So I was used to powerful vehicles. I mean, and yeah, we all do our naughty boy stuff. So I did that, and I used to love driving without traction, because when you learn how the car lets go, it's when you learn basically traction control. You switch it off, you learn how cars let go, you also learn how they behave, so you get to know the car a lot better. So that's what I used to do. Okay, that's a more intelligent sounding explanation. I'm tired, I'm dehydrated, but I still want to make this vlog. Anyway, another reason, I've been driving since about 11 or 12 years old. I was taught on private property, wink, of course it was private property, about 11 or 12 years old, in BMW M5. Yeah, my dad taught me to drive in his M5. So, and in other cars, like an M3 or something? Yeah, anyway, whatever. E36 and the E39. So, number 1, another reason, MotoGP. I love MotoGP, I love Formula 1, right? So, like having this, that was just this right here. That just made me, yeah. I mean, I love MotoGP, so I just had to do it. I wanted something that was like a GP bike, so yeah. And I love Ducati. I can respect all the brands, but there's just something special about these Italian vehicles. They look good, they sound great. They're just, it's a piece of art. I mean, look at the thing. Absolute piece of art. Next reason, I'll tell you, always aim high. Always aim high, aim for the best. Like I said, people telling me don't do this, don't do that. Look, aim high, go for the best all the time. Don't be afraid. The thing is, like, one thing I learned, don't restrict yourself, or how can I say this? Just, you know, always aim high. I thought, oh, maybe I can't buy this. It's gonna cost me a lot of money, blah blah blah. I thought, you know what? Let me just go for the best, and that's what I attempted to do. So, aim high. Don't ever aim low. Aim high all the time. Why is my delt burning? Oh, arm swap, guys. Jim has mashed me up with that chest press. Sorry. So, another one. All right, another real reason, right? My CBT, right? I set that as a goal. It was actually on my to-do list for 2022. Yeah, 2022. I did my CBT. I did mod 1, mod 2, and the theory. I did it all in the space of, was it like 2 months, 3 months? It was one of my goals. I was so dedicated and driven to make sure I achieved this goal, and I actually did it. I literally just put everything to it, and non-stop bikes, non-stop every day, learning theory. Yeah, I mean, that was the only thing I could do. I couldn't do any practical stuff because I didn't actually have a bike, so it was more like YouTube, learning the theory from websites, etc. So that is what I did. So anyway, next part, when did I buy the bike? Well, I passed my Mod 2 in March, and then I bought the bike in April for my birthday. And that was another thing I said to myself, I have to buy that beauty right there as a birthday present to myself for doing well and also getting a great job where I work. So I'm not going to get into that. I want to keep that private. But anyway, a very prestigious brand. So before I forget anyway, guys, like I was saying, yeah, I had another person come up to me saying they ride as well, and then obviously exchange details. Anyway, look, the vlogs, the style of it needs to change a bit, because I want to add a lot more value to my videos, so I can either inspire or also motivate other people. So I feel like when I first started at YouTube and I was doing stuff with like the M4, I feel like it was done more in that style. So yeah, I feel like I fell off of that style just a little bit. So I'm going to change the vlogs up a bit. You're still going to see lots of like automotive content, yeah, the good stuff you love. But like I said, it's not just going to be bikes. It was meant to be XavzLife, so it's going to be a mixture of cars, the bikes, lifestyle. Like for example, if I'm going to do like a full daily vlog, like maybe in the life of what I do, you might see some gym stuff, you might see some stuff out with friends, it might be some travel, you're going to see some car stuff, some bike stuff, just fun stuff in general. You might see some challenges, like who knows, there could be a bunch of stuff. It could be giveaways. I'm not going to say too much about that because I've already done something crazy with that, which, well, people might find out soon. Anyway, it's going to be a mixture, but anyway, I want to add value. I also want to give back. It's not like I was handed everything to me. So I know put it this way, I know what it's like to have something and to have nothing. So I know what it's like to be okay and stable, and also to be struggling. So yeah, one thing I've always wanted to do is always give back. So yeah, that's the plan. So we're gonna mix it up a bit, and yeah, so the vlogs, it'll be a nice mixture. But anyway, sorry, I can't talk. Damn, my arm is killing me. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment below on things you want to see. Also, give me some feedback about this vid. I mean, I gave some reasons why I even bought this bike in the first place, and didn't kind of listen to what other people said about not buying such a bike, whether it was expensive or too fast or powerful or whatever, this and that. I mean, just chase your dreams, work hard, go for it, just achieve your goals. Don't let anything or anyone limit what you can do. So guys, thank you for watching. Take it easy. Oh, and this car park is sick. My new vlog spot. Absolutely empty. Like, this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I've got a sexy bike right there. Right, anyway, we out.